there's dinner. Honestly, the salmon could probably take you like 20 minutes. I'm sitting here talking, you know, instructing and educating. You could prep everything like ahead of time too. You can like have the onions already diced up. You can cut your tomatoes in half, get sliced olives already. I bought them whole, well pitted, but. And then the rice was a shortcut because that was already pre-made. And yeah, serve it up with some bread or focaccia bread or more veggies, potatoes, whatever. Here we go. Here's our loaded Mediterranean salmon with, if you press down on the lemon juice, it'll kind of juice into the salmon, so yum. You cook it like hot enough, you could almost eat the rind. It's like not totally inedible. But kind of give it a squish, get it all out, and then you can get rid of the lemon. And then we're serving this, we got a drink here. We got a strawberry lemonade, a sparkling strawberry lemonade. All right, you're like, shut up and take a bite already. And I'm not like one of those influencers that are like, oh, it's so good. No. All right, let's get a bite, right? Oh, I probably should cut that. That might be too big a bite. Let's get everything on there. I want some olive and tomatoes. All right, guys, that's a big old bite. I might not take that whole thing, but mangia. Oh yeah. Just a little bit of that smoked salt that I added earlier. Oh, that lemon. And the feta is so good. It just kind of melts into it. Searing it first really creates a nice little crust on top. Oh, that's good. Oh man. And the onions, the red onions, they're not as like potent as they would be if you just let them raw. Yep, because you're roasting them. It brings out a little bit of natural sweetness. Oh, this is so good. Let's try our baby broccoli. Still really good. It's got crispiness to it. Now, baby broccoli isn't always that easy to find. I found mine in TJ's, and you can find it at WF, the one that Amazon owns. I can't say names. If you can't do that, you can just do regular broccoli if you want, or you can just do asparagus. That works too.
That looks really good.
Yeah, have a great night, and I will see you when I see you. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you all. Love you guys. Okay, bye.